thoroughly enjoys the showing in the horse industry. So we want to thank him for coming out here. We also want to thank our volunteers for being here. We cannot run the show without you, so thank you so much. We still have a couple of slots to fill, especially in the afternoon. We have a PM back gate. You open the back gate, make sure everybody's there. It's really easy. PM announcer, which is also very fun, and a PM ring steward. So please see Frankie. She is our show manager. We appreciate her. She's not even showing her horse today so that she can be our show manager. So we want to thank her and all our other volunteers here in the office and everybody else. So thank you so much. Our next class, class number 2, showmanship 13 to 17 is on deck. Showmanship 13 to 17 is on deck.